Gold prices rebounded in London trade Tuesday after losing $200 from Halloween's pre-election peak of $2,790 per troy ounce, as Comex speculators continued to retreat and gold-backed ETF shareholders continued to sell following Donald Trump's decisive win as U.S. president. Open interest in CME gold futures fell for the third session running on Monday, ending at the lowest in 4 weeks after reaching the largest buy size in 31 months on a new all-time record by Comex speculators' bullish gold value. Giant gold-backed ETF. The Spider Gold Trust meantime shrank yesterday for the fifth trading session in a row, reducing its shares in issue by 0.6% to the fewest since the end of September, while World No.2 the IAU product from Blackrock shrank further by value below the asset management group's Bitcoin product. With Trump announced as president-elect last Wednesday morning, U.S. gold ETFs as a group had already shrunk by 10 tons for the week ending Friday, according to data compiled by the mining industry's World Gold Council. That erased 1/3 of October's net growth, which had been the strongest one-month addition since Russia's all-out invasion of Ukraine began in March 2022, taking global gold ETF holdings of bullion to their largest size since October last year. Republican wins are not good for gold in the short term, says a note from analysts SFA, Oxford, for German bullion refiners Heraeus. Following the 2016 Trump victory, there was an 11.6% fall in the price of the yellow metal. Since 1976, election of a Republican administration has led to an average 4.5% decline in the price of gold within 60 days compared to an average 3.8% rise for a Democrat win. New York's S&P 500 index last night closed above 6,000 points for the first time ever. U.S. government bonds, in contrast, continued to fall in price today, driving Washington's 10-year borrowing costs back above 4.39% per annum, a 15-year high when reached during the post-pandemic inflation and rates surge of 2022. The dollar, meantime, extended its surge on the currency market, rising towards 106 on its trade-weight DXY index, a two-decade high when reached in the fall of 2022. As a safe haven asset, says SFA for Heraeus, gold tends to rise in a highly uncertain environment. But likely control of the House of Representatives and confirmed Republican control of the Senate increase the likelihood of conservative economic policy implementation and reduce uncertainty in geopolitical direction, if not the details. Gold bullion for London settlement last night fell through $2,600 per troy ounce for the first time since 2024's historic bull market reached that level 8 weeks ago, losing 7.2% from Halloween's fresh all-time high before rallying to $2,610 as New York futures and ETF trading began. That overnight slump in global prices found strong demand from traders in China, the precious metals' #1 consumer nation, where the price in Shanghai flipped from a $14 discount per ounce to a near $16 premium, even as the Chinese yuan fell to its weakest dollar value on the currency market since the start of August. Silver, meantime, extended the action in gold prices, plunging to 5-week dollar lows at $30.19 per troy ounce, down 13.4% from mid-October's 12-year high, before rallying more than 55 cents. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.